Yeah, we back. All right, hold on. We're gonna do some shoulder work. As you can see, Big Burm excited. Get ready to do these shoulders. Come on, Big Burm. All right, yeah. He shut the fuck up. Yo, Burm, come on, dog. You want to wrestle? He want to wrestle. He like to wrestle. I just work out. Come on. And let's go. One. Hold on. Okay. Where'd it go? Come on. 1, 2. How about rest? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Good work. Yeah, man. Good workout, y'all. We're gonna see y'all next week. We're gonna do some some snake curls for these arms. Peace.